Today, I'll show you how to change GCash address. First, open the GCash app on your phone. Sign in using your MPIN, Face ID, fingerprint, or the login method you normally use. Once you are on the home screen, tap Profile at the bottom right corner. Now look for account information, personal information, or a similar option. Tap it and check if your address is shown there. If GCash allows you to edit your address directly, tap Edit, update your house number, street, barangay, city, province, and postal code. Make sure the address is complete and correct. After entering the new address, review everything carefully, then tap Save or Submit. GCash may ask you to confirm the update with your MPIN, OTP, selfie scan, or another verification step. If you do not see an option to edit your address, go back to Profile and tap Help. In the Help Center, search for Change Address, Update Personal Information, or Account Information Update. Open the related article and follow the instructions. If needed, tap Submit a Ticket. Explain that you want to update the address on your GCash account. You may need to provide your registered mobile number, correct address, valid ID, or other supporting details. Do not share your MPIN, OTP, password, or security codes with anyone. After submitting your request, wait for GCash to review it. Check your email, SMS, and GCash notifications for updates. So, to keep it simple, open GCash, go to Profile, check account information, edit your address if available, or use the Help Center to submit an update request. And that's how you change GCash address. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.